Okay, last video, I swear. Okay, so the equation is, I was saying, change in position. Oh, I'm sorry, I guess this is wrong. It's not really displacement, it's rate of change of position. Because change in displacement is redundant. It's change in position. Okay, so it's rate of change of position. Okay, and so the equation is change in position as time goes on, or if you want to use words that make a little bit more sense, change in position over time. And that's literally what the equation is. Velocity is equal to change in position, delta x, change in position, over time as time goes on. Okay? So these look very similar, except that your distance and your displacement are not always the same thing. So, for example, let's say you do one lap around the track, and it takes you a minute. Okay? So you run 400 meters in 1 minute. Your speed is 400 meters divided by 60 seconds, because you ran 400 meters, right? But what's your velocity? Think about it for a second. What's your displacement when you run around the track? If you start here and you run around the track and you end in the same place that you started, your change in position from beginning to end is 0. So your average velocity from start to finish is 0 when you make one loop around the track. That's not the same as your speed. Okay? So these two things are different. And to be careful about the terminology that we use, you should refer to this as an average velocity. Okay? And so an average velocity is sort of not taking into account the fact that you had a velocity, you were going this way here, and then you were going this way, 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 and then you were going this way. It doesn't matter. Okay? All it cares about is start and finish. So your average velocity. Now there are two ways that we can write that, notation-wise. The first is to make a subscript that's like AVG, average. And the other one is to put a line over it. V with a line over it means average. Okay? Okay, so your homework is up on the board. I'm hoping that you can do it. We'll see. You guys have a special situation where you don't have me around to help you, so I will leave extra time tomorrow to go over whatever parts of the homework that you struggled with. Thank you for dealing with this horrible video, and I promise tomorrow will be